All right, you can see here on my screen that here's stitch number 3. I'm going to touch it. That's the very overlock stitch. And you can see here on the screen, it's showing you how big it is, and it also gives you little numbers up there. Well, I'm going to take the stitch length and I'm going to take it down to about 1. I'm also going to take the stitch width, which in this case is pretty darn wide, and I'm going to bring it to about a 1. Okay, now we have a problem because the stitches are going the wrong way if I want to work clockwise, and that is how I like to work. And then I'm going to go to the mirror image, which is a little icon like this. It's a triangle that's going up and down with a dark on one side and a light on the other side. And I'm going to press it, and you can see it flipped it, but doggone it, it moved it all the way over to the left, and I want it over to the right. And so I've got to find that maneuver and go like that. Now, to begin and end, what I like to do, and mind you, I don't win awards like Sue Nichols, is I like to go to stitch number 1. I like to also move it all the way to the right and then shrink it down, the stitch to darn near 0. And then what I'll do is I'll toggle between this stitch here and this stitch here when I'm doing my thing sewing. And then I start with this, and then I stitch with this, and then I finish with that. And that's how I work with the very overlock stitch. So let's see what it looks like, all right? Look at that. It is virtually invisible. I'm telling you, I am so hooked on machine applique. Again, this quilt that's hanging on my wall, I prepared it in 2 days, finished edge, and then did the applique in probably another 2 days. Fantastic!